Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Colorful Threads English. Today I am going to show you a very beautiful and very lovely pattern which I have used in my shawl. But if you want to make any stole, any type of blanket or a sweater, then you can use this pattern. It looks very pretty. You can see what a lovely shawl it is, and if you used in your shawl, then definitely it looks good. So let's start the video, friends. But before starting the video, I have a request that if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's start the video. Here I have used 2-ply wool to make this project. This is the 2-ply wool, and I will use the 15 mm crochet hook. And there is 11 such pattern in my shawl, but if you want to make a stole, then make 7 or 9 patterns. Choice is yours, how much patterns you want to make. So here I will show you only the pattern, that how you can make this pattern in your any project. So let's start to make this pattern. So to make this project, make chains with a multiple of 17s. First of all, make sure how much will be the breadth of your project. Just take the measurement and then start to make chains. Chain will be in the multiple of 17. Here I will take multiple of 17 11 times because I have 11 such patterns in my project. You make sure how much pattern you want to make and then start to make chains. So first of all, make chains with the multiple of 17s. And after completing your chain, skip 3 chain and make double crochet in the 4th one. Make 1 double crochet in each chain. This is the base for your project. So make 1 double crochet in each chains. Suppose if you have 92 chains, then make 92 double crochet. So here I have completed my double crochet, and now I will start the first row. Design is of 5 row. One design will be completed in 5 row. So this is the first row of design. First of all, make the border of 4 double crochet. So 3 chain, 1 double crochet in next one, 1 more double crochet in third one, and 1 more double crochet in the 4th one. Now make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Skip 6 double crochet and 6 and make 1 double crochet next one. Skip 6 double crochet and make 1 double crochet in 7th one. Now make 1 chain and 1 more double crochet at the same place. Make 1 more double crochet at the same place. Now again make 5 chains, 4 and 5. Again skip 6 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and make 4 double crochet in next 4 double crochet. 1 2 3 and 4. Now again make 5 chains. Just repeat the same process. Make 5 chain, 4 and 5. Skip 6 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and make 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet in 7th one. 1 double crochet, 1 chain and again 1 double crochet. This is the second pattern. Again make 5 chain, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and make 4 double crochet from the 7th one. And start the third pattern. Just repeat the same process and over your row. So if you have 7 patterns, then repeat this same process 7 times. If you have 9 patterns, then repeat the same process 9 times. Repeat the same process and complete the row. Okay, I have completed my first row. For second row, first of all make 3 chain and make the same border of 4 double crochet. This border will be same in each row. 1, 2, this is the second one. Now make 3rd double crochet and 4th double crochet. Okay, now in the previous row I have made 5 chains. I started my work with 5 chains, but in this row decrease 1 chain and make only 4 chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make only 4 chain and 7 double crochet in 1 chain space. Here you have made 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet, so there is 1 chain space. So make 7 double crochet in this space. All will be then in the same place. 7 double crochet all in 1 chain space. And 7. Now look, again make 4 chain, 2, 3 and 4, and this step also will be the same, 4 double crochet step. So make 4 double crochet in each, 1 double crochet in each and make 4 double crochet. Your first pattern is ready. Now again make 4 chain, 7 double crochet in 1 chain space. Again make 4 chain and 4 double crochet in each double crochet. Very easy pattern this is. So repeat the same process in your whole work and complete this row. This is the second row. Repeat it in each pattern, I mean in each section, and complete this row. And now for the third row, again make 3 chain. Start with 3 chain and make the same border of 4 double crochet. So make 1 double crochet in each. Now here make only 3 chains. In first row I have made 5 chains, after that 4 chain, and now in this row make 3 chain. And now make 1 double crochet in each double crochet. Here you have 7 double crochet, so make 1 double crochet in each and make total 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. Now in fourth one, in fifth one, now in sixth one and seventh one. This is the sixth one, and make 1 more and last double crochet. So make 1 double crochet in each double crochet. Again make 3 chain for next side and make the same step of 4 double crochet. 1 double crochet in each. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again make 3 chain and start to make 1 double crochet in each 7 double crochet. Just repeat the same process and repeat the same process and over your row. Now my third row is ready. Now start to make fourth row. start with 3 chain and make the same border. So the border will be same in your whole work. 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochet. 2 chain and start to make double crochet between 2 double crochet. So make first double crochet between first and second double crochet and make 1 chain space. Now between second and third double crochet make 1 chain space. Between third and fourth double crochet and make again 1 chain space, 1 chain. Now with fourth and fifth, so make 1 double crochet between 2 double crochet. This is the fifth one. Now 1 2 3 4 5, make 1 more and don't forget to give 1 chain between 2 double crochet. Now look the same pattern, 2 chain and again make 4 double crochet in each. Now again 2 chain and repeat the same process. Make 1 double crochet between 2 double crochet, 1 chain and again 1 double crochet between 2 double crochet. So my 4th row is ready. For 5th row, start with 3 chain and make the same border. 2 chain, 1 and 2 and add this chain with first double crochet. Add it with single crochet and now make 2 double crochet between first and second double crochet, 1 and 2. Again add it with the second double crochet. So insert the hook into second double crochet and make 1 single crochet. Again make 2 double crochet between second and third double crochet, 1 and 2 and now again add it with single crochet with third one. Again 2 double crochet between 2 double crochet. So just give it a look like a flower. Make 2 double crochet and now add it with double crochet. So just repeat the same process 5 times. Make 2 double crochet between 2 double crochet and just add it with single crochet and again 2 double crochet between 2, 1 and 2 and add it with the last one. Make 1 single crochet. Again make 2 chains and this 4 double crochet strap. So this is the final row. One pattern is of 5 row. This is the 5th row and the final row. Just repeat the same process in your whole pattern and complete your work. Now you can see one pattern is ready. 1 2 3 4 5 such petals. Now my first pattern is ready and you can see, just repeat it in your whole pattern. You have 7 pattern or 9 pattern or 11 pattern, just repeat it. Now for starting the second pattern, make 1 2 3 4 and 5. Just repeat the first row. Now here is 5 petals, so add your work with the third petal. This is the middle one and there is 2 double crochet, so insert the hook between 2 double crochet and make 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet at the same place, just like your first row. In your first row you have made 5 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and first 1 double crochet. So just repeat it here. Again make 5 chain, 1 2 3 and 4 5. Now make 4 double crochet strap. This strap and border will be same in your whole work. 1 2 3 4 and 4. Again 5 chains and insert the hook between 2 double crochet of third petal. This is the third one, so insert the hook between 2 double crochet and just make 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. So this is the first row of second pattern. Just repeat the same patterns, second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row in your second pattern and complete your work. Only repeat the first pattern in your whole work. First row, second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row. Repeat these 5 rows in your whole work and complete your work. Here you can see I have repeated the pattern again and again and my work is ready. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Till then.